folks, welcome to Model Making Maniacs again. I was flying the other week and I had my little Zohd dart, 250mm dart here. I'll pick it up in a second. But it was a bit windy and I tried to do a loop and unfortunately it hit the ground at high speed. And if I just take the front off, you can see that I've lost the front. If I take this little fella out, it's quite broken there as well. So that you can see now that that one's all it's come apart. And then I've got a little NX3 flight controller in there. Bit of damage to the front, I think, where the battery hit it, so I'm hoping that's still okay. And the impact pulled the ESC out, and of course all the plugs have come out now from the from the motor. So I'm going to have to take this little cover off back here, put that back together. But luckily the wings seem okay. I think it's going to work out okay, and I'll try and put it back together again.